What happens at the end of your production line is just as important as what happens at the start. As a manufacturer, you need to ensure that your secondary and tertiary packaging is coded and labeled correctly. For this, there are several key requirements. Traceability. To deliver transparency as to product origins and to help keep supply chains moving. Compliance. To make sure your products and goods are correctly coded and labeled in machine-readable formats to meet more and more demanding regulatory requirements. Accuracy. Producing the right code or label in the right place at the right time to help with efficiency throughout the supply chain, to avoid rejects and ensure goods arrive on time at their destination. And production efficiency. Helping to increase your production line's output by minimizing costs and maximizing uptime. At Domino, we recognize these challenges and provide the solutions. The Domino CX350i. Big on boxes, big on code quality, and big on efficiency. The CX350i drop-on-demand piezo inkjet printer features a high-resolution stainless steel printhead, delivering consistent high-contrast barcodes, logos, traceability, and product batch information. With a simple touchscreen user interface and no need for factory air, the CX350i excels on cardboard, corrugated, and paper boxes. It utilizes vegetable oil-based inks from its large volume ink supply, enabling ink replenishment on the go and minimizing downtime. With Domino Cloud connectivity, gain 24/7 device visibility and facilitate proactive production line management. M230i print and apply labeling systems. Offering high-resolution label automation for barcodes, text and graphics for GS1 compliant labels. With compact designs and a fully modular system, our M230i range can be easily integrated into existing production facilities, meeting diverse labeling needs, including cases, trays, shrink wrap, sacks, kegs, pallets, and more. Compatible with Domino's quick design coding automation and label design software, the M230i can automate your message management, helping to eliminate human errors. The Domino G20i Thermal Inkjet Case Coder. Simple to install, simple to configure, and simple to code. The Domino G20i is a compact, low-cost, single-sided case coder, ideally suited to data and text on outer case secondary packaging. Designed for straightforward self-installation without the need for technical knowledge, the G20i provides sharp, high-resolution codes onto a variety of substrates. To discuss your end-of-line requirements, contact Domino